All right, guys, it's Breakpoint. Today we're going to show you how to install the M.2 drive into your computer. I went ahead and unplugged my graphics card already. I just got to take it out. There's a little latch down in there that I got to get with the screwdriver. Take it out, be right back. All right, now that the graphics card is out, we're going to undo that screw and that screw. Okay, there's also that screw right there. You unscrew before pushing the M.2 drive down. That's to the security bolt. So now we're going to put the heat shield back on and screw it down. All right, it's all screwed down, and that is how you change or put in a M.2 drive to your computer. Again, guys, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, take it to a professional. Definitely don't want you messing anything up in your motherboard. But other than that, y'all, Breakpoint's out. We'll see you next time.